Welcome guys, welcome back to the series of RHCE exams. So in this topic today we're going to see how to configure a TLS security. So in the previous one we see the virtual host, the access restrictions on directories, how to deploy a basic CGI application. We skip this one, configure group management content. If you don't know nothing about this subtopic, it's referring to ACL. So if you need help with this, just put a comment on the video and we'll cover this. But we focus on how to configure the TLS security. Okay, go back to my VM. If you see on the previous one, we troubleshoot and we work on the first CGI. I live on this way. You remember that we try to pull the full path from the script here and then go back. I just leave it there in that place and it works very well. Okay, there are a couple things that you need to know first. And you need to install the right RPMs. In that case, gonna be yum install. HTTPD is already installed. HTTPD-manual is already installed. So in that case, we need a mode underscore SSL and mode underscore WSGI. Okay. Going to install this, say yes, and also for this demonstration I will need this RPM. It's because I'm going to generate the keys and the certificate for this new site. On the exam they're going to provide everything for you, so don't worry about that. So are we going to execute these commands. I'm going to just hit next. If you see here the cells, the private key, the certificate, where is the store. I'm going to just hit next. I'm going to set as insecure because it's more faster for the demonstration, but you can go ahead with recommended. When you do this is gonna take a couple minutes, so don't worry about that. Yeah, but if you have to test this on your own lab, it's very good idea that you follow these steps. Just wait until this is finished. The cells that example.com is the new virtual host that I'm going to build. So I already add this on my host file as sales. There you go, sales.example.com. Okay. We say we would like to yes encrypt. No, I don't need it. I want to keep this as the same, but I want to say like country name US, state, Nevada, city, Las Vegas, company, my company, lab. I don't know. This is the sales, password, no password, next, enter, boom, that's it. But now I need to generate the keys, you know, because if I go to XCPKI, oh, sorry, yeah, XCPKI TLS, you can see now. Oh, wait a minute. Oh yeah, need to go to private. Now you can see the sales key. Okay, but if you go to back to search, oh, where I am, one more up. I'm going to show you the see what is oh Okay, the search. If I show you this, make dummy or make file, it's a template or something that you can read in order to generate the keys and the certificate. But on the exam you don't need to do this, so in that case you just go and run this command. I'm going to copy and paste because this is not a topic for the exam. You see CRT is gonna be the name output, okay, and the key, we already generate the key, and this kind of options like require new key, blah blah, days 365, keep this as simple. So I hit enter. I'm gonna say country name US, state is gonna be Nevada, city I'm gonna say Las Vegas, and the file organization home lab, unit name, enter. Common full name, host name, gonna be sales.example.com, email address localhost at localhost. You don't need to take care about this, so this is just for a demonstration. But now if you go to HTTPS, okay, you go to TLS. Now if you ls on search, you can see now the sales search, the CSR, also you have the CRT is a certificate, okay. If you ls on private, you can see the sales key. You got it? I hope yes. But you going to in the exam, the Red Hat going to, on the exam you will see the certificate. They're going to provide the URL to download the certificate, but you need to know where to put these keys and the certificate. The key need to be on this directory. Let me see, it need to be downloaded on this directory, HTTPS TLS private, okay, and the permission of the file gonna be 400. It's already on 400. It's alright. And for the certificate, you go to search, okay, it's gonna be here. The CRT is gonna be here on the HTTPS TLS search, okay. After that, we are good to go. So in that case, we are going to build a new virtual host on Azure B. This is going to be a document root web app. Okay, I'm going to create the make. Just a second. Make dir web app, right? I want to create web app 1 just in case. I'm also going to create a new dir like web app ... and web app 1 ... okay, because we're going to work on this after. I'm going to create the sales 1. This is gonna be the on the document root for web app 1, because we can see this up after this demonstration how this works. Okay, so far we are going to create a new CGI, see, on this directory, because on the exam they probably provide a CGI and you need to download and put on the right place. In this case I'm going to put it on the web app. Okay, going to insert. I'm going to copy and paste because it's not a big deal. Just say RHCE plus Ssl. This is the comment. I'm going to give the chmod all plus x, all plus x on that directory. Okay, let me verify. Now it's go. Now you need to create a virtual host for SRV, web app. You need to create a virtual host to point to this document root. So let's check one thing first. I'm going to ls-c. Okay, need to restore com-r bvbb on SRV. Okay, need to see now how it looks. You see, it don't take the right, like I mean, okay, if I go to web app, okay, it take the right content. That's good. It's good to know. Also, the CGI doesn't take the right content, but we try this until that point because we are going to see this very well. Okay, now let's create the virtual host. So I'm going to copy and paste this in order to save a little bit time, because you will see. Going now here, it's a Vim. Oh, sorry, there we go. Right, let me remove the dash. Okay, you know how to bring the server name, everything related with the virtual host, right? Okay, we are going to do it anyway. We're going to the cat, it's on XC, no, it's on user, share, doc, HTTP, I'm looking for a virtual host. There we go. Going to the very beginning. Going to delete a few lines like this and like this. Okay. But also, you see, we need to specify the SSL, right? Because it's gonna be for the SSL. Okay. But at least we have here the port. I'm gonna say it's gonna be on port 80 as regular. Oh, sorry, 443. There we go. Right? The server I'm gonna say sales.sample.com. Okay. Oh, sorry, enter. Okay, the document root is on SRV web app dot. Right? This is the document root. Some documentation saying that you don't need it, but on this demonstration I will put it. Okay, server name, I'm gonna say it's sales.sample.com. Alias, I'm gonna say sales again. Okay, and for this sales, you can find and replace, and it's gonna be okay. Okay. This is for the error log of sales.sample.com. Okay, I'm gonna say like it's a combine. Okay, looks good, right? But there are a few things that we need. We need the certificate and we need a few more options. Okay, there are a place, I'm going to give a space here. Okay, there are a place that you can find this without seeing my comment. Okay, also we will need it's a well secure CGI script. Okay, alias on root, and the CGI alias gonna be on SRV, right? Web app that, and the name of the CGI is I don't remember. That's why I'm looking for now. It's hello. Okay, this is the name. I'm just going to copy and paste because the last time I make a typo and I don't want to make it again. Okay, here we go. Right. So now, where you can find these SSL things that you see, oh come on, it's impossible to remember. No, it's not. You can remember. You go to the manual page. Okay. I will show you two ways. And you go to SSL There you go, Ssl Encryption. You go to most SSL how-to, and you can see here how it looks like. You can simple just like this, copy, and Shift B. You go back and you see some more security settings. Control C, enter, Control V. Let me put it on the like to make more. Okay, you see, gonna be pretty much the same options that I have here. Engine on, right? Cipher order on, and the certificate, right, file, and the key file, and also the chain file. But you say, well, this is enough. I think it is, but this is one way. If you need now to verify and see, oh, I need to make sure that this is alright, you can go to XE HTTPD conf.d, and you can see here the SSL conf. You can do a grep-b-e, right? That everything that do not start with this, and also I want to extend this to everything that ends on empty line. Oh, sorry, dash on grep for, oh, I missed the SSL conf. There we go. It's pretty much, I don't know if I make a type on the grep dash, yeah, it's pretty common. I mean the grep command is looking for, oh, it's dash e, no dash r, dash e, and you can see now all the statements. So if you look at these ones, you see it's pretty much that you need. You can Control C, you can go back here and say Control V. What I got? Well, I got this one. Oh, I don't got this one. Okay. Jenkins. Oh, sorry. I want to say Jenkins. I'm going to say paste over here. SSL. Oh, I need this one. Oh, I just remove it. Let me see. I have this, but it's alright. If you want to use this one, it's fine. You can use it. So I'm going to use the same that I have on my SSL conf. So I'm going to delete this one, cipher on, and the path key, right? I'm going to delete this one and this one. That's it. This is all that I need, right? And I don't type nothing. I just everything I grab from the configuration files and also from the manual page for Apache. You see? Okay. So now we got everything in place, right? Server alias, server common log. I'm going to delete this line. What else I need? What do you think? Well, oh wait, let me insert mode. I'm going to delete a few lines. I need the directory entry. Easy. You go here. You can keep watching this if you want. Here you have the directory entry. But it looks like this directory entry is for the more complex SSL, right? Okay, I don't want to trust on this. I just going back here. I'm gonna say cat on XE HTTPD conf.h. This is gonna be save you a lot of time if you how to move using the actual configuration and directory entries and everything. I think I passed it. No, it's fine. I'll look at it. Okay, you go this one, Control C. Oh, don't do it. Okay, let me copy it again. Also, this is on the, on the manual page, so it doesn't matter. Okay, go back here. I'm gonna say insert. I'm going to delete this. Oh, sorry, I'm going to delete this one. I'm gonna leave it there, and the directory is going to insert mode. Okay, srv web app dash dot dot dot. Right? Okay, that's it. No more. Oh, I need to change these ones. Okay, the certificate path. Okay, I need to know what is the path for this. Okay, it's okay. If you don't remember the key, okay, let's start with the certificate. The certificate is gonna be on when you download from all the server and you put on the server that you're going to provide the virtual host over TLS. It's gonna be on exe PKI, and then you can ls and you can go to it's a search. Okay, you go to search. Oh, you go to TLS, sorry, TLS, and now you go to search ls, and you can see here the search CRT. So it's gonna be the path name. Okay, I'm gonna say Control C. I'm gonna put it over here, right? And the path is it's cells. Okay, cells.sample.com. Here we go. Done. Right? What about the key? Well, the key. Oh, undo. Okay, the key is gonna be pretty much the same. So in that case, I'm going to back to one directory. I'm going to private. I'm going to do a pwd. Oh, sorry, pwd. Going to copy. This is because you don't want to think too much on the exam, because they have too many questions that you need to test. This is the key. Okay, copy, paste. There we go. If they provide this, the chain key, you can use it. It doesn't matter. But let me check. I'm going back to one directory, go to search. Yeah, the change key pretty much. The chain cert. No, I'm going to leave it there. It's okay. If you want more secure, you can put here -SSL version 3 if you want, but it's not required. But I want to put it. Why not? Okay, right now everything looks good. We have a server name. You see, pretty much is all that I put it. And you see, okay, you have the documentation right on your side. No, I just use the manual page, use the documentation from Apache, and works. Okay, now let me run quick. Okay, I'm going to do this. Wait a minute. Okay, it's that file. I'm gonna say like a cat the file just in case to see. And now I'm going to it's a systemctl restart HTTPS. Okay, time through. Okay, something is wrong on this. What is wrong? Okay, let me check. Your still dash. Oh, this is the worst part through overshooting. It's a this one on line 8 syntax on line 8. See, it's very easy to find the right error on line 8. Okay, line 8. This is line 8. Oh wait, something wrong here. WSGI WSGI script alias. There we go. I want to do something like this. I wanted to test if this exists. There we go, with the right name. Sweet. Okay, let me restart Apache again. Hope that now works. I hope. but we don't know yet. So let's go back here. It says sales.sample.com, right? HTTPS. So I'm going to say HTTPS dash, right? Sales.sample.com. Looks right. I just want to wait until the Apache complete the restart. Okay. It's working. Remember, on the SAM, you don't need to work on this certificate and create. No, they're going to provide the key and the certificate. Oh, it finished. Okay, now let's hit enter. Here we go. You have the connection is not secure. You go to advanced. You can see RX section, view to view the certificate, and you can see the details. Home lab, you see? Sales.com, home lab, blah, 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 details. You can see now, for example, if I click here, and now I go to, where I put this, all the information. I think it's here in general. Oh, here you go. But you can see all the certificate. You can see now, close, get it, and confirm. And you can see this here. That is from this CGI. Okay? If you see here, I don't change the context of this directory as HTTPS, sec, CGI. I don't remember now. It's cmanage. F context that grep for CGI. Oh no, dash L. Sorry. There you go. Okay, C manage. It's boolean dash L grep CGI. If you see, I don't change. Well, this is the boolean that need to be enabled. And the context that I'm looking for is this. Is on bar CGI. Is this one. I don't change it, but it works anyway. Here we go. I'm going to go back a few directories. Okay, going to SR. I'm going to. You see. Oh, I need to go back here to to web app. Sorry. You see, I don't change it. Even the directory inside, I don't change the context, but worse. But that means that you probably go to see if this work, and if work, you don't need to change any context on the document. So now you see how this work. But I have one thing for you. What do you think if we make something like a sales.example.com without the HTTPS? Oh, sorry. Let me close this window. Let me change here the HTTPS with a regular HTTP. Go to the default web browser. Why? Because you need to first change something on the virtual host to redirect to the right and to redirect everything to HTTPS. This is how do you need to implement, but I want to show you the easiest way without seeing this note. So you need to go back to the configuration file, right? It's gonna be, I'm going to open the configuration files. It's that one. You here going to insert a few lines. You go to, okay, let's start with a virtual host, right? Okay, going to type. It's a virtual host, right? Star colon 80. close. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's gonna be a server name sales.sample.com. This is the server name. Let me do one thing here. Let me close the virtual host, right? Okay, now we need to put something here to redirect. You see here on my note say rewrite engine on and the rule. It's kind of hard to remember, I think, but I have a better way. Always, you go to the documentation page, go to the manual, and if you hear the URL rewrite with mod rewrite, you open it, and here you can go to the second choice, and you can see how this redirect. So you need to know, well, at least you go here. Oh no. Well, this is the rule. You see here the rule, but this is not the right syntax that I'm looking for, because you need to know first how this gonna be enabled, right? Some examples. You see, you first need to enable the engine. Okay, going to Control C, I'm going to insert over here. Next, you need to write a rule, right? For the rule is the interesting part, because on the first option you don't see nothing, on the second one a little bit, but if you go to the third one, you're gonna see something like something that match everything and redirect to the right host. I'm going to go back. No, I need the syntax. It's something like, no, it's not like this. No, the question mark gonna be at the end. Oh, it's not without question mark. So you see, it's for that reason that I'm very bad on writing the regular expressions. I'm very, very bad. So you should see here, you got it. This is the rule that you need. So it's gonna be that rule, right? It's pretty much the same. Control C. If you remember, it's on remapping. You go to this one, right? Remapping. The third one, you go to the very, very end. And not the very end, but pretty much the very end. Kick a little bit. And here you can see this. Okay, I'm going to paste it here, but this is not complete. You need to do something like, probably you need to remember this is gonna be redirected to HTTPS / right, to any, right, or it's %, but this %, you can see it over here. See, it's %. See, the rule start with %. Okay, gonna be %, and you need to open square brackets and say HTTP, right, _host, close square bracket, and you say $1, and the message is gonna be on regular bracket, and redirect equal 301. Okay, now let's verify. You put this $sign at the end. You see, it's pretty much, you need to remember that you need to the variable $1. Okay. Okay, in that case, I think this is complete. Now I'm going to close, rewrite. I'm going to systemctl restart the triumph through HTTPD. Now wait, and now when I hit suppose that when I hit the regular HTTP, it's gonna redirect to HTTPS. Okay, let's wait. But it's very easy. Read write engine on is a regular expression. See, it's a regular expression. Oh, it's that one. You see, it's a regular expression. Everything that star match, everything is going to send to %, HTTP $1. It's gonna be a better explanation for this, but believe me, I don't know how the better explanation for this question. But it's very straightforward. Okay, Apache is complete restarted. So if I hit refresh here, it didn't redirect. Why? It didn't. What's wrong? Okay, the server name sells .sample.com. Probably I will need the as here. It's not square bracket, right? No. Colons or no quotes. No, the rule is pretty straightforward. I opened my virtual host .80 virtual host server name ls rewrite engine on start $sign HTTPS %, or bracket redirect 01. Everything looks good. Let me just remove a few space. Maybe it's confusing the virtual host with something, but I don't think so. I will restart again. But this is how do you redirect. It's not a topic for the exam, but it's gonna be good to know just in case, and even better if you know where to find the samples for this type of question. It's right here. Maybe I need to install this module. Maybe we try. We say John install. No, nothing about that. John. We try what provides star. Miss a typo. Oh, again a typo. I can do it fast. Okay. Oh, very good. I got something. I can read. Let me put it again. Okay, from this one, from this one, from this one. But if I say the mod underscore, nothing. So looks like it's still on the same page. Okay, let me try one thing. Going to open a new one, going to sales.sample.com. You go to the file. If I go HTTPS sales.sample.com, it works. So it's something that it didn't redirect very well. So we can troubleshoot this, but not right now, because if you see here, for example, we start reading the documentation. It say the samples, the rewrite errors. What are you looking for? It don't say nothing that you need to install an extra package before. We see nothing. Just engine on, and that's it. So if you have any question, if you know how to fix that, please let me know. I will be very open mind to fix this and work together. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video. And I hope that everyone can work on this redirect and show me the output in order to fix it. Okay, thank you.